Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Sony BRAVIA Theatre Bar 6. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this gear up to your TV with HDMI cable. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. Take this cable, go to the back of the soundbar and hook it up to HDMI out TV ARC to this port. Is in. HDMI out to TV ARC. Then take the end of the cable, connect it to the back of your TV to HDMI in to ARC. HDMI in to ARC. The next thing to do is switch the soundbar on, select input. It will show you a white color. If you select Bluetooth, it will highlight blue color. So the input is on TV, white color. BRAVIA Connect app. This is the app. Go to input and select TV. If you look on the input, it will show you TV. If you want to connect it to Bluetooth, then you select Bluetooth. So it's currently on TV. Switch the TV on. So once you switch the TV on, then go to TV settings. Select TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us HDMI ARC device. So this is connected. If it's not showing you HDMI ARC, you need to select on the sound out, then scroll to the right or left and look for where it's showing you HDMI ARC device. Then you select on it. So this is connected. Now I want us to go to YouTube. Make sure you type the printer. This is the audio. So you can see that it's showing us connection is complete. If you are connecting it to different printer, the printer name will show, then it's select OK. And from this app, you can also increase the volume. Then it will show you the printer and also the ink level. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, then add it to your mobile phone. If you want to add it to also computer, the next thing to do is go to Epson website in your region. It will show you TV. So go to Windows Start, then select Epson, then select Support. So audio, you can select main and sub. So audio. You can also type. You can select main name and subwoofer. This printer, for example, or main or subwoofer. Connecting workforce, for example, is then a type. So this is how to hook this up to your TV using HDMI cable. Thank you very much indeed.